Tired of project timelines that feel more like wishful thinking than reality? You're not alone. Accurately estimating effort is crucial for project success. And in this video, we'll break down the best methods to get it right. First up, understanding the task before you even think about numbers. Thoroughly analyze the work involved. What are the specific deliverables? What skills are needed? What are the potential roadblocks? Next, we'll explore expert judgment. Tap into the knowledge of your team members who have relevant experience. Conduct brainstorming sessions or one-on-one interviews to gather their insights on the time and resources required for similar tasks. The more perspectives, the better. Method number 3 is analogous estimation. Look at past projects with comparable tasks. How much effort did those tasks require? Adjust the historical data to account for any differences between the projects, such as team skill levels or project complexity. Then, parametric estimation comes into play. This involves using statistical relationships and historical data to predict effort. For example, if you know it takes 10 hours to write 5 pages of code, you can estimate that writing 10 pages will take approximately 20 hours. And finally, bottom-up estimation involves breaking down the project into smaller, more manageable tasks. Estimate the effort for each individual task and then add them up to get the total effort for the project. This method provides a more detailed and accurate estimate. By using these methods and involving your team, you can create more realistic timelines and budgets, leading to smoother project execution and happier stakeholders. For more project management tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.